Hello everybody. I have a box of 50 short card Hot Wheels directly from Hot Wheels. I ordered 100 of them. I didn't realize they were short cards. I thought they were all long cards. But I sorted them out with the no name brands in here, Hot Wheels types of cars, and then the other box is all like Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Honda, and all those others. But yeah, here it is. You get 50 cars, all short card, like I said. Slide this over. Grab a little stack right here. Take a look. We have the Beat All, and my autofocus is not autofocusing. Sorry about the lousy lighting again. I'm trying to figure this out. This is Mach Speed. Now some of these came doubled, like this one. Got two. There was actually a lot of doubles in this box. This box of 100, I should say. Get these Robo Race Robocar. Yeah, my autofocus is horrible. There we go. I don't know if the light is going to kill this or if it's going to help. There's another Beat All. I have to figure this lens thing out pretty quick, otherwise these videos are going to be absolute garbage. Here's a couple more. Why does my autofocus not autofocus? Let's see. Or this one. So like I said, every one of these is going to be a double. This is driving me insane. This autofocus just ain't autofocusing. I don't know much about camera settings. I have to figure all that out. I've never been good at it. Point and shoot, autofocus, auto everything. But for some reason this autofocus just doesn't want to work. Let me try this. Nope, that ain't helping. That kind of helps. Alright, that one is flash drive. I have two. Show these guys. Buns of Steel. I have this in other colors as well on long cards. The Skyboat. I also have this in different colors. I think it's black and white is my other one. Electro Silhouette. This is another one I have a few colors of. Let's see, right there. Grandpa X24. That's a sharp looking purple. Get some of these ready to at a time here. Okay, here we go. And these will all be up for sale on my eBay store soon. I have approximately 48 from the other half of this box already listed on eBay. Those are all, like I said, the muscle cars, exotic cars, anything that was a real car manufacturer I've already sorted out and listed. Turbone charged. Cute little car. We have Evil Weevil. Kind of reminds me of what we used to call my brother, Evil Stevel. Surfing turf. I have this in, I think that's my 4th or 5th color of this one. gotta figure this out. Some of these are not double. Most are. Okay. Mr. Mackey. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Hot Wheels Rapid Responder. We have Tread Shredder. A little dirt bike. One thing I've noticed collecting years ago, there weren't as many ATVs, dirt bikes, and like those types of recreational vehicles. Since I started collecting again, I have noticed they have lots of different motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs. I have a whole bunch of them. They're kind of neat looking. I don't know if I'd ever ride one in real life. I'm not that steady on bicycles or stuff like that, so I try to avoid stuff that will potentially kill me because of my stupidity. This is a Batmobile. Dark Knight Batmobile. Again, I have 2 or 3 different variations of that one. We have Runaway Rescue. I have a few rescue vehicles. I know some people collect them. I was thinking about doing little lots of like a couple of fire trucks, an ambulance, and maybe a fire chief car. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. If it's something that sounds like you guys want, I'll separate them. I only have about 1,000 of these things to list, so it's not like I can't find them. Then we get another crock rod. Again, I have this in a few different variations. This one, hover and out, I should say. Don't mind me, I've only had 4 cups of coffee today and they don't seem to be kicking in yet. And this one is hologram. These are all of the short cards. If there's any in here you're interested in, leave a comment, send a message, check out my eBay. My eBay store is the same name as my YouTube name, Granite-State Diecast. I also have a store on eBay to sell wristwatches. Those are priced from $10, I should say $5 to $650. Most brand new. Most have the boxes and the paperwork. Some are new without the boxes and paperwork. Some are pre-owned. All of them work. If they don't, I add the issues that they have in the listings on eBay. Hopefully people start checking out these videos. I know it's going to take time. I'm banned from Facebook. I have 7 more days. I got a 30-day ban because of immature people, more or less. They didn't like it when an adult stepped in. But anywho, I guess I'll see you guys soon. I'll be doing another video tomorrow morning. Probably going to do the loose cars that I already have listed, just because those are easier to get all sorted out and figured out. As where my carded cars, I have everything all boxed up still. Ones that are listed and ones that aren't listed are stuffed in the same box. I'm also in the process of moving, so I'm trying to keep everything packed up into smaller boxes instead of spread out like I did before. I have a little system I use with the card numbers that I go by. I do 1 through 10, 11 through 20, 21 through 30, 30 through 31 through 39, and so on. That way there, for me, it's easier to find what I'm looking for when somebody buys something off of eBay. So if it's card number 121, I can just look at the box that has card 121 to 129, boom, I know right where it is. I pull that out. If it's one that has doubles or triples, I'll put 1 in there and I'll put a little note in there, and when I pull that 1 out, I'll go into my box that has all my doubles and I'll pull another one out and stick it back inside that smaller box. to me, that's how I've done it before. It just, my brain, the way it works, it seems like that's the best way for me to do it. And again, moving has completely screwed up my whole entire system, so when people get stuff from me now, I'm scrambling to find it. Again, if you like the videos, like and subscribe. If there's something that I can do differently, please comment, let me know. I use a Canon, I'm sorry, I don't use a Canon. I use a Nikon D32 with the Comica V30 Pro microphone. If anyone has any tips or ideas on how this focus should stay focused, I would appreciate it, because I am clueless when it comes time for recording or any type of video production, any photography. If it can't be done in auto, I put the camera away. Alright, have a great day, y'all. Bye.